Hi, this is a brief overview of multiple criteria selection technique. Multiple criteria selection technique, which can also be known as multiple criteria decision making or multiple criteria decision analysis, is a systematic and structured approach used to evaluate and compare options based on multiple criteria or objectives. MCDM offers a variety of tools and techniques that can be used in a variety of industries, including engineering, design, finance, or even medical. The goal of MCDM is to give decision makers a framework for objectively and transparently evaluating various alternatives while taking into account a number of factors pertinent to the decision environment. Several methods are commonly used in multiple criteria decision making to support decision making processes. Here are a few commonly employed techniques. Today we'll focus in on weighted sum module. In this example, a shopper is in an electronics shop. Their objective is to purchase a new mobile phone. Their criteria are price, screen size, storage space, and appearance, with price and storage space and screen size as a non-beneficial value, and appearance being a beneficial value that the shopper evaluates using a 5-point scale. To this shopper, all the criteria are equal in value, so each has a weight of 25%. They reduce their choice to the three phones displayed on this slide. Since price and screen size are non-beneficial criteria, the shopper takes the lowest value for these criteria and divide it by each performance value. For the other two criteria, they divide each by the maximum value. To calculate the weighted normalized value, they multiply each by 0.25. Since phone B has the highest performance score after the calculations, it's the best choice for mobile phone for this shopper, according to MCDM and the weighted sum module. Multiple criteria decision making has its disadvantages. One, assigning weight to criteria is a requirement of MCDM, and it includes making subjective decisions. Everyone is not going to weigh or value one criteria the same way. Two, it can be difficult to get precise and trustworthy data, and limits or flaws in the data may affect the validity or dependability of the study. Lastly, while circumstances are simplified, certain nuances and interdependencies may be missed, which can result in mistakes or oversimplification while making decisions. Now let's look at the advantages of MCDM. Comprehensive evaluation, providing project managers with an ordered list of alternatives. Transparent and structured approach. By visualizing the value of your alternatives using an MCDM, you can discover useful insights that might otherwise be missed, allowing you to make the most informed decision possible. Trade-off analysis. All MCDMs use a systematic approach to identify and compare different options by assessing their impact, performance, advantages, and disadvantages, which can help you ensure your decision making is consistent regardless of the issue. In summary, people frequently consider a number of factors when making daily decisions, and they may be satisfied with the results of those judgments if they are solely based on intuition. On the other hand, it's critical to properly outline the problem and explicitly examine a number of factors when the stakes are high. There are many parties who will be significantly impacted by the decisions of whether or not to build a nuclear plant, as well as where to locate it. These decisions include very complex issues, including numerous criteria. Multiple criteria decision making can be a great tool to help make these type of critical decisions.